Hi, Emmanuel Naweji here. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can integrate the AI to generate reports that you can share with your team as far as scanning, container images scanning, script scanning, and we use also scanning to identify different vulnerabilities, and then you compile all of that onto some files, PDF, CSV, to use, or PNG, to use and share with your manager, use and share with your team members. I'm gonna show you how you can do this. And the way you do it is, first of all, you go to my GitHub account, and when you get there, so you're gonna see the code, the link to this package or compilation of codes is in the notes here. So go down here, click on the link, and you're gonna see that there's a Terraform directory there. That's for provisioning whatever infrastructure that you want to provision. You also have GitHub Actions set up there. You're looking at right now the reports. These are just examples. PDF, CSV, as I said, and PNG. You can see reports that have been compiled and written in a way that people can read it in plain English. So how do you do that now? Going to the command line here, you git clone my repository, you move into the project environment, and once you get there, you're gonna see files that I generated before this demo here. You get there, and next what you want to do is to move into the T2S services, because you're going to spend some time there. Get there, that's where we have our Docker file. But before you do that, set a virtual environment using Python here, and that's the command you use. You're gonna configure that to be the virtual environment that you want to use, so that you can move into that environment and also isolate the environment from the other places. Next, you have to install the required packages, and you use that command, and you're gonna run the command, and all of your packages should be installed easily. And sometimes I do recommend just to go ahead and upgrade your pip, which is an interface, a utility that works with Python that you need to run different commands in your virtual environment. So that's taken care of. What you're gonna need to do next is to add your OpenAPI key, and which you get from the OpenAI official website. You can just Google that and go there, create your own OpenAPI key. And once you do that, you make sure that it's stored or added to the .env file. Next, you want to now build your application. First, you create your image, and then after creating your image, you're gonna run your container off of that image using this command, docker run, and you're gonna make sure that you also open up the required port, for traffic to come in and traffic to go out. So it's gonna be 8,000 for both. So you apply that to the image that you have built. Once you do that, now you go to the web browser, local host column, and use the port number. You see the services here, and in this case it's for T2S. So you should be good now. And next, what you do, you need to go one step up, and the reason is that's how you do it, because you're gonna now use Trivy, which will allow you to scan your Docker images you run. But before you do that, let's make sure that we have Aqua Security Trivy installed on our system, and in my case it's already installed. Then I run the Trivy command to output the scanning that we're gonna have to run on this specific container. and it's going to be T2S-services because that's where we have our Docker file, right? Make sure that you have the correct path to your Docker file. And then next you run the command. And then after running the command, you're gonna see this output, and which is what you need to do. And next, what we're gonna do now is to go into the place where we stored our AI file. And in this case, it's an AI analyzer Python file. So you're gonna have to run that. And when you run it, it's gonna now generate all of the reports that you need. It's gonna be the DevSecOps scan results and DevSecOps recommendation.csv. You have those. What you do next is just to verify, meaning you can run the command open to view the files, and then you should be set. So this is pretty much what you needed to do. And if you have any questions, you can reach out to me, and I'll definitely get back to you as soon as I can. If it's your company and you need a specific customizable approach similar to what I've done in this video, just let me know. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching and stopping by. God bless you, and I'll see you in the next one.